Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to select display and scroll down. Over here select advanced, scroll down again and choose one-handed mode. Click on the switcher to activate it and follow all of those instructions. Swipe from the bottom of the screen to the left or right to reduce the screen display area. When I do that, so I have to basically swipe from the home button to the right to use my phone with my right hand, and do exactly the same to the left if I want to use it with my left one. If you wish to resize the screen, you can click at the top right or left corner and just drag it. And if you wish to change place of it, you can also select this icon over here. If you wish to go back into the normal one, tap on the blank area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!